Welcome back. Your loan has closed. Your transaction's over with. Hallelujah. I hope you've had a great flight. To borrow the analogy I used at the very beginning of this process, we are at the gate. You are disembarking, and we hope you enjoy your time in New York City. We've enjoyed working with you, and we hope you come back, and we hope you refer other people to us. There's a couple of parting statements, parting mentions we want to share with you. There's a few other things that are going to happen for you. For example, you're going to get some things in the mail. And when you get those things in the mail, I want you to be able to feel comfortable that you could call us and discuss them. If there's a final closing statement, if the numbers changed a little bit because of the interest days of interest and things like that, feel free to call us and we'll go through that closing statement line by line if necessary. You want to keep a copy of your loan documents. Always keep a copy of your most recent loan documents. After you've refinanced or something in the future, you don't need to keep the old copy, but keep anything that's got a county recorder's stamp at the top. Normally it's on the upper right-hand corner. If you have something like that, keep that in a folder, but you can get rid of all the old loan documents once that loan is no longer in place.
So the next thing you're going to want to look for in the mail are letters from your lender, whether it's going to be a check, of a refund of some kind, or notification saying that your mortgage payment is going to change or your servicing company is going to change. These are three very important parts where you need to give Steve or myself a call to verify this information. Some of the reasons why you would get a refund in the mail from your lender is because they are not collecting all of your property taxes. In the state of California, when you purchase a new home, you get what's called a supplemental tax bill. A lot of the times in your payment, we have already allocated for the supplemental tax bill, but when the bill doesn't come in time for the servicer, they think they just have so much extra money and they're just going to give you a refund. When the reality is that money is not to be spent because it is still due.
And if you get it back, don't spend it because they're going to want it back as soon as they have to pay those supplemental taxes. If your payment changes suddenly, especially if it goes down, or if it's lower than you expected in the very beginning, don't say, hallelujah, I got a lot of more money for Christmas, because they're going to come back and they're going to say, give that money back to us. Or supplemental taxes are going to be due that were not included in the escrow or impound account, and you're going to need to pay those. So just be aware of those. And if any of this is confusing you, give us a call and we'll make sure, we'll look at everything and make sure we don't expect the payment to change for any reason. But if it did, we want you to know about it.
Okay. Unfortunately, when we record your mortgage with the county, this is public record. So in addition to the mailings you'll get for your actual specific loan, you're also going to get a lot of scam mailers. They are very sophisticated, and you'll even get confused. I get them and I, have to take a second look, and I know better. So
these guys are really good. For example, they'll send you a letter offering to get you a copy of your grant deed or your deed of trust for $65. Mail in the $65 and we'll send you a copy of your grant deed. And they make it sound so important. Well, in reality, we'll give you a copy of your grant deed if you want it, or your deed of trust. It's really simple. It's all public knowledge. We can get it from the county recorder's office. We're not going to charge you anything. Any kind of scam like that. There'll be other types of scams too. So just keep an eye out for them.
And the county actually sends you a copy of your deed automatically once. And it does take a while. Just know, depending on your county, they are a little behind, but you will get a free copy of that deed once it has, and confirmation that it has recorded via mail. Additional scams, it comes across as if it's your lender saying that, you've gained equity or rates have lowered, telling you we can save you thousands of dollars.
Yeah, it's funny how they'll send you a letter that makes it look like they're the lender, they're your lender. And that's illegal, but they'll do it anyways, and they'll try to get you to call them to refinance in the future. Of course, Roxann and I will be here and we'll be able to take care of any refinancing you have, and we can do it again on a no-point basis in many, many cases. So we'll take care of you. We want to be there for you as long as you need us. And this relationship doesn't have to end after this. If you have any questions financially related, real estate related, or mortgage related, even investment related. If you need a great referral to a financial planner, please let us be a referral source for you. Give us a call. We can answer a lot of questions for you. Maybe you want a living trust. You want to put your house in a living trust or something like that. Give us a call. We'll be happy to answer those questions, or at least direct you to the right people to be able to help you. Again, thanks for your business. Thanks for your friendship. We've had a great time, and I look forward to helping you or somebody you know in the future. Have a great day. Thanks.